Next up in our balance progression is a modified single leg reach. So I'm going to be utilizing the table just for support. And at home, you can use a countertop or a table, something that's not going to move though. I'm also going to use this towel. Now you don't really need it, but I find it does help with sliding and reduce some friction, but you could do this on a surface too without a towel. Now this is a great way to start to introduce a little bit more dynamic single leg activities without support. So we're kind of trying to bridge that gap, giving yourself a little support while also challenging you. So I'm going to use one leg. I'm targeting my right leg for this right now. I'm going to place my fingertips on this towel. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to kick this leg back and hinge up my hips. And I'm reaching as far as I can. And now I'm going to be driving, utilizing the back muscles in my legs, coming back up to standing. Now, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on my hands. I'm being really light on my hands. I'm trying to control this through my leg mostly. And then as you get better, you can either try to go further and come back up, or if that's too challenging, just go a little bit less. All right, so the harder it is, the further you go. But make sure that you stay square. A lot of people who lacks hip control will open up, right? We don't want that. We want to stay square. So shoulders, hips, square with the table. Kick that leg back. Come up to standing squeeze. Come up tall, right? Return to the standing posture. Reach forward. Making sure we're not curving our back. Back stays flat. As we reach, light on the hands, and repeat.